Sometimes slowing down is all it takes to quieten the mind. For those of you who like a more fast pace, this meditation might be a little bit challenging. But next time you're racing ahead to the next thing, just try slowing down as your entry point into presence. So let's begin now by sitting up nice and tall and getting really grounded in your seat. Then bringing the fingertips together to touch. As you inhale, slowly separate the fingertips and expand the hands. And as you exhale, bring the fingertips back to connect. Only connecting when you've fully completed the exhale. Inhale, expand the hands. Exhale, slowly reconnect. Keep going in your own rhythm. Now opening the hands out and looking at your palms with childlike wonder, like you're discovering your hands for the very first time. Looking at your hands, noticing all the lines. Just letting the left hand rest. Let's begin with just the right hand and closing your right hand into a fist. And then gently expanding it back out. Let's incorporate this with the breath. So as you exhale, the fist closes. And as you inhale, the fist opens. Notice the sensations that you can feel in your hands. Just putting your right hand down on your lap. Close the eyes for a moment. Just notice the difference between the right and the left arm now. There might be a little bit of fatigue in the right arm. And then let's lift up the left hand. So when you exhale again, close the fist. And as you inhale, open out. Don't speed up the breath. Just acknowledging there is a gap at the end of the exhale before your next inhale begins. Feeling the sensations in my hands. And then allowing that hand to come to the lap as well. Next, just draw the chin to the chest. Keep the chest lifted and the shoulders upright, although relaxed. And then just let your left ear become closer to the shoulder. As you exhale, really slowly, let your chin come down to the middle of your chest again. And as you inhale, allow the right ear to go over towards the shoulder. Exhale, take the chin to the center of the chest. And inhale, left ear to shoulder. Exhale to the center of the chest. And inhale once more over to the right. And exhale, chin to center. And uncurl. As you inhale, float the hands up to the sky, nice and slow. And as you exhale, lower them back down towards the lap. Inhale, sky. And exhale, lower. And allow the hands to rest on the knees. Close down the eyes. And just feel your body sitting here in its seat. Notice any sensation in the neck, shoulders, arms, and hands. Notice your inhale and exhale. Just notice how you're feeling overall after slowing down. Ready, just opening the eyes. Next time you feel like you need to slow down, come and revisit this meditation as a passageway into the present.